Hi, my name is Fatima and I'm your sugar makeup expert for the day. Today I'm going to be showing you an all brown look for International Coffee Day. Don't we all love coffee? I sure do. So this International Coffee Day, I'm going to show you how to incorporate your favorite beverage into your makeup routine. So let's get started. We'll start with the eyes. I'm going to be using the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 01 Vogue. Taking the shade Beige Mauve on a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to start building it up on my crease with the in and out motion. I'm applying the same shade in the outer corner in circular motion. Using the shade Medium Brown on a smaller blending brush, I'm going to deepen the outer corners and crease. Take your time blending the eyeshadow, making sure there are no harsh edges visible. I'll be using the shade Metallic Chocolate for my lids. I'm taking the eyeshadow on my ring finger and patting it on my lid for maximum payoff. Using a clean blending brush, I'm blending the shade between the lid and the crease to ensure seamless transition between the two colors. On the lower lash line, I'll closely pack the shade Metallic Chocolate and then smoke it out using the shade Medium Brown. Now I will use the Contour de Force Face palette in 01 Subtle Summit to do the contour, highlight and blush. I'm going to use the shade Taupe Topper to chisel the jawline and the cheekbones. I'm going to keep the contour strong for this look. I'm going to do a very subtle highlight using my ring finger along the cheekbone. I'm applying very light pressure. This was the Champagne Champion shade. Using the shade Peach Peak on a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the blush in between the contour and highlight. This way, the contour, highlight and blush all blend in well together. For this look, I'm not going to be showing you one, but I'm going to be showing you 5 different brown lipsticks from all the ranges of Sugar Cosmetics. First, I'll be using shade number 12 Dawn Fawn from the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick range. This shade has a lovely cocoa hue with a yellow undertone. Now I will be using shade number 03, the Brown Ultimatum from the Never Say Dry Creme Lipstick range. This shade is a beautiful nude brown and it has a creamy feather-like texture. Next I'll be using shade number 11, 6 Feet Umber from its About Time Vivid Lipstick collection. This shade is a beautiful matte mocha brown with a creamy and moisturizing texture. Next is shade number 11 Elle Woods from the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick range. This shade is a subtle nude brown for the all natural looking lips. Last I'll be using shade number 06 Taffeta Terracotta from the Suede Secret Matte Lip Color collection. This is an edgy reddish mocha shade which you guys must try. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this look for International Coffee Day. For more such fun videos, like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. Bye!